I'm Wolfgang Gorner, Managing Director of Hörmann UK. We are a very good, strong business. Great products, great people. And what the UK consumer likes is they like the idea of it's a family-run business, but they also like the German engineering, the German quality.
We've been dealing now with Hörmann for around about 30 years. We trust them, we believe them, and I think that's really important in business. A lot of the clients now are coming to us because they've seen the Hrmann brand. It's a very well popularised, it's well marketed, but also it is a quality product. Homeowners want something that's individual. The Hörmann portfolio of products enables them to be not just different from the Joneses next door, but different potentially from the Joneses within a 10-mile radius.
They look like a house or a garage of a film star or, you know, a wealthy person, don't they? They've got that kind of, like, wow.
The wow factor.
The wow factor, yeah.
The industrial is as important as the domestic side, and I'm amazed by the range of products that we have.
We are 100% Hörmann on industrial. Because the product is that good, you know, Hörmann are the Rolls Royce. So we won't look at elsewhere.
We are the only people that do everything. All round, we do the doors, we do the dock levelers.
I think one of the things with Hörmann is they're seen as a market leader, but also an innovator.
And innovation is not just about developing new products, it's also about improving the way we make those products. I'm always in wonder and awe when I walk around our factories and look at the technology that we have developed to improve the production and the quality of the products that we make.
What I do like about the Hörmann offering is that it encompasses everything.
We talk about this cradle to grave. To a big client, we can say, look, we can look after the initial specification, we can undertake the supply, and very importantly, we then look after the servicing with our national network of service engineers. We're really pushing the boundaries, and again, it's illustrating why we are different to the competition in the marketplace.